In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can make a dashboard in Power BI. So first of all, you have to import data, and as I have told you that always you have to go edit data in order to import your data. So open this arrow, then we can have different options from where we want to import our data. In my case, I'm going to import from Excel file, which is stored in my USB. So open it. Then from here, you will find out your destination. So this is my table, sales data. When I will click it, you will see the connection will develop between the Power BI desktop and the source file, and in few seconds you will see the data is here. So in my Excel worksheet I have two tables, order table and the sales table, but here I am going to load sales table. So click here, this is my data, right? We have month, year, city, manager, these are the different fields name. And I have already told you in the last lesson the difference between the load and edit mode. So here I am going to apply load mode. I am not doing any editing here. Load means whatever data is present in your source file, it will import here. So I will click on the load. Now you will see in few seconds, because compared to Microsoft Excel, Power BI is more faster. So you will see the data will import here and all the fields name will appear here. So see, these are my all fields name. So fields name comes automatically in alphabetical order. So you will see city, item, manager. So these are the alphabetic order. Now you will see where is the data, because we are in the report view. If you want to see your data, you have to click on the data view. So this is the data view and these are my columns. So go back to the report view, because our purpose is that we want to show our data in the form of graph. So here I will show you how you can make your dashboard in few minutes. But one more thing I want to add here, that this my data, when we import our data, it comes in a link form. It means that we cannot change the values. You can try here, click here, wherever you want. You cannot change the value of your imported data, but if you want to change the name of your fields or name of your columns, yes, you can change it. Just double click, simple ways. Instead of manager, whatever you want, you can write down here. Similarly, double click on item, whatever you want. You can change the name of your columns, but you cannot change your data. This is one of the most important point of Power BI. So here, suppose we want to show our audience our sales with respect to cities. So what you have to do, simple ways, there are two or three different ways which we will discuss in this course, but the simplest way is just put check mark beside city, and the other is sales. So this is my sales. Click here, you will see by default this type of graph will come. If you want to change it, what you have to do, this is the visualization tools. I want to show my city and sales data in the form of pie chart. So this is the pie chart. Click here, then you will see our chart will convert to pie chart. These are the handles. You can increase or decrease the size of this chart. So here I am going, and with this you can move it wherever you want. I say I want my chart here, so this is my chart. So this is the Toronto sales, this is the New York sales, and these are Paris, Islamabad and Hyderabad. If you will click here, here you will see city wise and total sales, as well as the percent of the total sales. Okay, now suppose if we want to make another chart here, right, and we want to take sales with respect to manager. So what you have to do, you have to click on this white space. This is already selected. You can see the handles are here. If it is selected and you want to make another chart, suppose I want to make a cluster chart. If I will click here, so our pie chart will convert into cluster chart. So if you want to make a new chart, what you have to do, you have to click on the white space. Now it is deselected. So you have to deselect first, and then how you can deselect it, you have to click on the white space. Now I am going to make another cluster chart, sales, and I want to show sales as well as manager. So this is my manager. This is my sales. You will see the data in the form of a table. I do not want table, I want a chart, so do not worry about it. It is selected. So this is my cluster chart. Click on the cluster chart. So you will see this is Dawn. We have only two manager. One is Dawn, one is Fatma, and these are the sales. Now we want to make another chart, right? So what you have to do, you have to deselect it. So deselect it. The handles are gone now. Now I'm going to make a tree map. So this is the tree map. First I will click on the tree map and then I say sales and salesperson. So this is salesperson and this is sale. So you will see here again same thing. These are the handles. With the help of handles you can increase or decrease the size. Okay, we can make it like this, right? If you want to change the position, you can drag it wherever you want. So see here in Power BI, see this is Seema, this is Tehmina, Raj and Umar, and these are the salesperson. The Seema has the highest sale and the sale is 35,344. So see it will come first. Tehmina is second, third and fourth. So in Power BI in tree map the highest sale person will come first and then second and so on. Right? If I will click here, if you want to delete it, so what you have to do, just select this and press delete on your keyboard. It's gone. You want it again, so what you have to do, simple way, I will repeat 2 or 3 times. In this way you will learn more. Sales and salesperson. So this is my sale and this is my salesperson, and drag it with this handle, this one. Now we want to make another chart. I want to show the same this scenario with the line chart. So what you have to do, see if I will say sales and cities, so this is sales and this is cities. This is the simplest way I am showing you, but we want to show this time in the form of line chart. So click on line chart. It will show the same thing, that Toronto has the highest sale, then New York, Paris, Islamabad and Hyderabad. Now deselect it. I want to see my total revenue or total sales. So this is the total sale. Just click here and you will see a box will come up here with this bar. I want to make it more attractive. So just click on God. So it will show you and I will bring it here. So our total revenue or total sales of all these 5 cities are 88K. If you want to see the quantities, how much we have sold, so this is the quantity. Click on the quantity, same thing, then apply this gauge here and you will see I will drag it here. So see in few minutes we have created a beautiful dashboard. Our total sales are 88K. Our total quantities we have sold 23K. These are our salesperson. These are our managers and these are our sales record. Now at the end, if you want to add some title here, so what you have to do, go to the home tab and this is the text box. Click on the text box. The text box will open here. Whatever name I say I want sales, the name of my dashboard is sales dashboard. So I will write down sales dashboard. Select this data. If you want to make it bold, if you want to change the font and font size, you can do it here from center, and with this handle you can increase or decrease the size, and the same thing we can drag it here in the top. So see in few minutes we have set our dashboard. We can show this data to our audience. In the next lesson, I will show you some more features, how all these charts are connected to each other. Meanwhile, you can practice it. If you have any question, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.